Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back again to share with you a super quick and simple layout. All you need are a couple journal cards, one that's 4 by 6 inches, two more that are 3 by 4 inches, and a computer. Literally, that's all I needed to put this layout together. Of course, I used my computer and printer to print out my photo. My photo measures roughly 2.5 inches tall by 6 inches wide to fit into that blank space at the bottom of this 4 by 6 inch journal card. At the top of the journal card, there is some text. So this layout is very text heavy because the photo that I added to this layout has text in it as well. And I'm going to add an embellishment to the top of that journal card right there with one of the chipboard shapes from the Unexpected Story Kit by Elle. This is another Story Kit Crush layout, by the way. I'm going to use my liquid glue to attach that chipboard shape right next to a bolded phrase that says, I forget what it says right now, but you'll probably see it in the close-ups at the end of the video. So you'll see it there. Anyways, I'm just putting some pressure on it to be sure that it is adhered and stays put. I'm going to put that off to the side and I'm going to work on these two 3 by 4 inch journal cards. I decided to add them to a scrap piece of white cardstock just to keep them together so they don't flop around inside the pocket. By the way, this is a pocket page. I'm putting these two essentially 4 by 6 inch journal cards into a 4 by 6 inch pocket page that has 2 pockets in it. Obviously, the one journal card just has the giant exclamation point on it, and the next one has some text at the top, and then I added my journaling to the bottom of that other card. This layout is all about one of the things I learned about myself through 23andMe when I got it last month. I was floored by this little bit of information. I found out that I am Jewish. Was not expecting it. And I think it's pretty freaking cool. So I thought that I would document this story. My journaling is all about finding out that I am Jewish and who I am descended from, my ancestors, which, by the way, is Noah himself. Cool, right? Once again, like I said, I'm totally floored by this. So if you have not ever thought of doing 23andMe, it's definitely worth it. Even if you are not interested in finding out about your health, just finding out your ancestry is worth it in my opinion. So plug for 23andMe, and definitely go check it out. So now I am adding just a few more embellishments from Elle Studio to this layout. As you can see up till this point, I just used Elle, specifically the Unexpected Story Kit. Pardon me, I added a phrase sticker on top of that chipboard piece. The phrase that I added to it says "just wow," because it summed up this whole story quite well, in my opinion. So I added that to that chipboard. I trimmed off the pieces that hung off the chipboard, and now I'm just making sure that it is secure. And then I will pull out some asterisk puffy stickers from Elle Studio to add to both cards. So I thought that I would add one puffy sticker right beside the Ashkenazi Jew portion of my photo. And then I'm going to add a pink asterisk to the point in the exclamation point, and that's going to be it for my embellishing. I do have to remember to go back and add the date to this layout and the date to the layout that I shared yesterday here on my channel, because I am back to forgetting to add my dates to everything once again. That's it, friends. Like I said, this layout was so quick and easy to put together. All you needed were a few supplies to make something beautiful. There are close-ups coming up, so feel free to stick around for those. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. Take care, friends. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will be back again soon.